So in this video, we are going to introduce something called a while loop, okay? Now, a while loop is a type of indefinite loop. So it's something that will loop until a condition has been met. So it is an indefinite loop. And if you ever go on to do GCSE at computer science, you will need to know what this term is. So a while loop is a type of indefinite loop. So it does it until a condition's met. Now, what we're going to need to do first is we're going to need to set up a number, for example. All right, so I'm going to say my var number equals 0. Now, what I can do is I can say while, all right, my var number equals, we're going to say is less than, let's say less than 10, all right? You want it to print out that number. All right. So what we're going to do is text window dot write line. Your number is plus my var number. Now what that's going to do is print out the value that is in there. All right. But you need to give it a condition because it checks. It's going to print this out while the number is less than or equal to 10. All right. In fact, I'm going to start this number at 1, so it counts up from 1. All right. Now, what I then need to do is I need to have something that changes my var number equals my var number plus 1. That's going to add 1 to that variable each time now. So I'm going to go to end while. Now, what that's going to do is print out the first number, add 1 to it. Print out the first number, add 1 to it. But it's going to keep doing that until the number gets to 10, till the number is equal to, while the number is equal to or less than 10. When the number gets to 11, because that will increase, you'll notice the program will stop. And we're going to say text window dot write line, you have finished counting. All right. So that's the general basics of how this works. So I'm going to run it. And you can see your number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have finished counting. So that is an indefinite loop. That is a while loop. There are other things that you can do that you can check conditions such as the number of throws in a dice. You can also say while the number is over. So that's just your basic introduction to a while loop.